Alrighty everyone, welcome to the channel, and this is the most excited I've been to play a video game in a very, very long time. I've been waiting for Red Dead Redemption 2 since when it was supposed to release back in May, and I don't want to wait anymore, so let's get right into it. Just these loading screens look beautiful. I don't know if anyone has been to the Western United States, but it looks a lot like it. It's a lot like the national parks out there.
Abigail says he's dying, Dutch. We'll have to stop someplace.
Okay. Arthur's out looking. I sent him up ahead.
If we don't stop soon, we'll all be dying. This weather, it's May. I'm just hoping the law got as lost as we did.
There. Arthur! Any luck?
I found a place where we can get some shelter. Let Davy rest while he... You know. An old mining town. Abandoned. It ain't far. Come on. Come on! Yeah!
Alrighty. Huge blizzard. Would not be fun riding horses in. Maybe it would be fun. Chapter 1. Coulter.
Bring him in here!
Miss Gaskell, get that fire lit, quick. Miss Jones, bring in whatever blankets we have. Mr. Pearson, see what we've got in terms of food.
Davy's dead.
There was nothing more you could have done.
What are we gonna do? We need supplies.
Well, first of all, you're gonna stay here, and you are gonna get yourself warm. Now, I sent John and Micah scouting out ahead. Arthur and I, we're gonna ride out, see if we can find one of them. And this, just for a short bit. And I don't see what other choice we have. Listen. Listen to me, all of you, for a moment. Now, we've had, well, a bad couple of days. I loved Davy, Jenny, Sean, Mac. They may be okay. We don't know. But we lost some folks. Now, if I could throw myself in the ground in their stead, I'd do it gladly. But we are gonna ride out and we are gonna find some food. Everybody, we're safe now. There ain't nobody following us through a storm like this one. And by the time they get here, well, we're gonna be long gone. We've been through worse than this before. Mr. Pearson, Miss Grimshaw, I need you to turn this place into a camp. We may be here for a few days. Now, all of you, get yourselves warm. Stay strong. Stay with me. We ain't done yet. Come on, Arthur.
All right. We've got some work to do.
We ain't run into them yet, so they both must have headed down the hill.
Sure. Hey, I ain't had time to ask. What really went down back there on that boat?
We missed you. That's what happened. Come on. Oh.
Hey, you need horses?
Oh, yeah. Hey, Mr. Smith, get yourself indoors. You need to rest that hand.
I'll live.
Get indoors, son. We need you strong.
Okay.
This snow is like knee-high.
All right, let's head out.
Ain't sure what we're gonna find out here, Dutch.
We have to try. Stay close. We'll do our best to stick to the trail.
This goddamn weather.
Been 2 days or more like this now. Oh, it has to blow over soon. Careful over this bridge here.
Can't believe we lost Davy, too.
He's the last one, Arthur. No more. We need to get those people warm and fed.
At least we don't need to worry about Pinkertons tailing us in this.
A couple more days, we'll be on the other side. You need to help me pick the others back up. You're the only one I can rely on to stay strong right now.
We got fire and shelter. That's a start.
Oh, choose to talk, L2. What about the money? Was it a trap? Say it wasn't a trap.
So, do you think it was a trap in Blackwater?
That many men? Oh, they knew we were coming. There was money on that boat, all right. Lots of it. I stashed what we took with all our money in town right before we fled. Wait, is that someone coming towards us? You up ahead. Who's there? Micah.
Gentlemen,
Found anything?
I think so. Found a little homestead down that way.
Okay. Anyone home?
Sure. Place is blazing with light and noise. Sounded like a party.
Let's go see.
Follow me. How's
Oh
Davey
boy.
doing?
Oh, you didn't make it. Nor did little Jenny.
That's too bad. Davey was a real fighter. Both of them Calendar boys is, or was.
Yeah,
And Mac, Sean,
we don't know.
quite a business.
I'm glad you're all right, Micah.
Always.
Ask him if he's seen John.
Hey, have you seen
John.
Micah?
Hmm.
See much of anything once this storm came in.
He hasn't seen him.
He'll be fine. Things always turn out right for that boy.
I hope Mac and Sean are still out there somewhere, too. Move up, Arthur. I'll cover the rear.
Would that happen to be John Marston, the original GOAT?
You sure about this, Micah?
Mr. Morgan, I never thought I would be so pleased to see your face. Been kind of lonely out here. Where's everyone else?
Old mining camp back up the hill.
Huddled around a fire, waiting for Daddy to put food on the table. I've said it before, we got too many mouths to feed.
Well, we got a few less now, so you should be happy.
That ain't fair, Arthur. I earn my share. You think it's unreasonable to expect others to do the same?
So, this house. You speak to the people there already?
No. Like Dutch told us. Look, but don't talk to no one. Just following orders. You know me. I'm a good boy.
Right.
This dude seems really sarcastic.
How much further?
Not far.
What does that mean?
Not far.
Thanks.
Just the sound of like
Oh, goddamn, this snow gets right to the bone.
like the horses walking in the snow sounds so realistic. We get we get a bit of snow
Okay.
where I'm from.
Let's keep it down now, gentlemen. It's just up ahead.
Snuff and stash those lanterns, boys. Best you two lie low on this. Okay, let's head down there.
I wonder if we're gonna loot the cabin. I mean, that'd be my bet right now. Display in the lower left corner.
Let's hitch up here.
Approach the Gene Post. Hold triangle to hit your horse.
Let me handle this. We don't want to spook these fine people.
Sounds like quite the party.
You two, get yourself out of sight. One lonely man is a lot less intimidating than three nasty-looking degenerates. Arthur, in that cattle shed on the left. Micah, get down behind that wagon in front. Hello? Shut up, Billy. Excuse me. Hello? Oh, well, hello, friend.
What you want?
I am very sorry to disturb you. My friends and I, well, we got into Some trouble up the way. Lost in the storm. Ah, gentlemen.
We can't help you, mister.
I got folks
Arthur,
dying on the trail.
Arthur, we got a problem. Folks, there's a corpse right here.
No, I just
Arthur,
need some
there's a
cans
body
of food
in the
or
wagon.
something.
I hear you. Just
Gentlemen,
keep your eyes on Dutch.
please.
I think you should go now,
Well, the
buddy.
one to show the wagon wheel.
Look out! There's more to bear!
Well, I'll take him out.
Sons of bitches! One of them's making a run for it! Arthur!
Oh, right in the back. Can I loot the bodies? Oh, so those guys murdered the family that was already here. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's circle to reload.
I said I'd handle this.
Didn't seem to be going too well.
Goddamn O'Driscoll boys here. Why?
I don't know. Maybe same reason as us.
Micah, go bring the horses closer to the house. Arthur, let's go search the cabin.
Smells like a party in here.
Turn the place
None of us
upside
are in the
down.
house.
Grab as many supplies as you can. We need the essentials. Food, medicine, whiskey.
Whiskey. An essential part of any healthy diet.
O'Driscoll's. I don't believe it.
It's a strange one, all right. Maybe they're hiding up here, too. There's a big price on Colm O'Driscoll's head. Nearly as big as the one on yours.
Wanting Colm dead is about the only thing me and Uncle Sam agree on.
I gotta do negative effects.
Now, get your strength up for the ride back.
To open your satchel. Eat a provision to restore some health. Different items have different effects. Eating food will refill your health core. Better food quality will remain more core.
We could maybe move the women and Jack down here.
Maybe. We'll see how they are when we get back. I don't really want us to split up.
Canned vegetables.
I'm gonna start packing the horses. You keep looking. Grab
Biscuits.
anything you think we can use, then meet me out here.
Blood. Ooh, a lot of medicine. Western is one of my favorite genres of movies and games. I don't know if there's any good Western show anyone likes to watch. I would highly recommend Hell on Wheels. I'm wondering how someone got to that window. You just run across the... can't do it.
Micah, Arthur, keep looking for of stuff. Arthur, go see if there's anything in that barn. Micah,
So,
you search
where
the
I was
cabin, see
headed.
what we missed. Sure.
Sounds like there's horses in here. Investigate the barn. I'm here. Oh, open barn door. You gonna fight? Yep.
Bastard shot my cousin! Well, he started it. I'm gonna break your neck!
Circle. Oh, oh, bah, 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 bah.
Guy just jumped me!
Oh, did he now?
Sneaky little bastard. Should I kill him?
No. Not yet. Find out what they're doing here and where Colm is.
Oh, this son of a bitch will talk.
Interrogate.
Where's Colm O'Driscoll?
With the others. At an old mining camp southwest of here. Near the lake.
What are you bastards doing? Why are you up here?
We're fixing to rob some train. Gonna blow the tracks. No, I don't know more than that, I swear.
Well, I would say it looks like you have this, Arthur. Do what you want with him. I don't care. But bring that horse when you're done.
Beat his ass. Beat his ass. Beat his ass. I pick my hat up. Pick up your gun. Oh, one. Oh yeah, it's like Indiana Jones. Can't lose the hat.
Yeah, good boy.
Uses trust in you and improves their attributes. It's pretty cool that you can like bond with your horse.
He's dealt with.
Good. That looks like a decent horse. You should keep him. Tie him up over there, Arthur.
Alrighty, if this is gonna be our horse, we're gonna need to name it.
Micah, what the hell do you think you're doing?
Whoa, the knife out in the cellar. Wild thing, ain't ya?
Leave her alone.
I wasn't doing nothing. She's one of them O'Driscolls.
No, she ain't, Micah. Look at her. Miss, are you...
Oh, you fool! Micah!
Miss, now, it is gonna be okay. We mean you no harm. Miss. Come on. It'll be okay. We need to get out of here, and quick. Come on now.
So Micah dude seems like kind of a jerk.
You okay, miss?
They came 3 days ago. And my husband, they...
Miss, you are safe now. And you can't stay here. You come with us. Arthur.
Miss, it's okay. We're bad men. We ain't them. It's okay. Get on. We'll keep you safe until you figure out what you want to do.
Wow, such a kind-hearted soul.
What's your name, miss? Miss.
Adler.
Adler.
Sadie Adler. Mrs. He was my husband.
like it's Dutch. Hey, everybody, Dutch is back. How'd you get on?
Micah found a homestead, but he weren't the first. Colm O'Driscoll and his scum, they beat us to it. We found some of them there, but there is more about, apparently. Scouting the train. Thank you.
That's the last thing we need right now, Dutch.
Well, it is what it is. But we found some supplies, some blankets, a little bit of food, and this poor soul, Mrs. Adler, Miss Tilly, Miss Karen, would you warm her up? Give her a drink or something? And Mrs. Adler, it's gonna be okay. You're safe now. They turned her into a widow. Animals. I need some rest. I haven't slept in 3 days.
You're over here. Miss O'Shea will show you the way. Mr. Morgan, we put you in a room over here.
Thank you, Miss Grimshaw.
Mr. Bell, you're with the fellas over there.
What? How come Arthur gets a room and I get a bunk bed next to Bill Williamson and a bunch of darkies?
Get yourself to bed.
He ain't been seen in days. Weather ain't let up.
He's strong, and he's smart.
Strong, at least. Hello, Arthur.
Abigail?
Arthur, how you doing?
Just fine, Abigail. And you?
I need you to... I'm sorry to ask, but...
It's little John. He's got himself caught into a scrape again.
He ain't been seen in 2 days.
Your John will be fine. I mean, he may be as dumb as rocks and as dull as rusted iron, but that ain't changing because he got caught in some snowstorm.
Please go take a look. Javier?
Yes.
Javier, will you ride out with Arthur to take a look for John? You're the 2 best fit men we've got.
Now?
We're pretty worried about him.
I know. The situation were reversed, and he looked for me.
Thank you.
This way. Last I know, John was headed up the river.
For all we know, he kept riding north and never looked back.
He wouldn't leave. Not like that.
John and Abigail.
See some smoke. Come on, let's take a look.
Let's hope it ain't more of O'Driscoll's boys.
How do you see smoke in this? Oh, there, okay.
Seems somebody left. Recently. And that way.
Sure, well, come on then.
There's some tracks leading to the river.
Oh shoot.
Hey, stay on these tracks, come on.
Did not mean to get off my horse. How do I get back on?
Let's cross. See, they continue up that way.
You think it's John?
You tell me. These are horse tracks for sure, but could be anyone. Let's just see where they lead.
So, you were there, Javier. What really happened on that boat?
We had the money, it seemed fine. And suddenly they were everywhere.
Bounty hunters?
No, Pinkertons. It was crazy. Raining bullets. Take it slow. Big ravine here. Dutch killed a girl and bad way. But it was a bad situation.
That ain't like him, though.
We continue along the cliff wall here. Davey got shot. Mac and John, both shot too. Sean, we don't even know. I'm surprised we escaped at all. By the time you boys showed up from the other side of town, we were only just holding on.
Wait, cinematic camera, hold. Oh, that's pretty cool.
Damn snow's coming in hard again.
We'll lose these tracks if we don't move fast.
There's R3. It's pretty cool. It's like a movie.
Watch yourself. It's not very wide here.
Let him go first.
Come on, boy. Horses are struggling.
Yeah, a lot of fresh snow here.
I don't know about this, Javier. We can't follow nothing.
Let's push on a little bit. Maybe we'll pick up the trail again.
Almost there, boy. Come on now.
Hey, look! Over there! You see that?
See what? Oh, there's like a little camp or something. Dead body. Oh, dead horse.
Let's see if he can hear us.
Oh, looks like he wampa it.
Come on.
Pulled a Luke Skywalker and got inside his horse.
This ain't good.
Or a Leonardo DiCaprio from the Revenant.
He's coming from up ahead somewhere. I don't think we can go much further on the horses. We'll have to walk from here. I grabbed that shotgun from your horse. Who knows what's up ahead?
Yeah, I like that idea. I want to view your stored weapons.
Grab your shotgun.
L2R2 select. Oh, I want to equip.
Down this way.
You sure about this?
Sure sounds like the goat.
It's coming from this way.
Okay.
Watch out here. Yeah, that we're high up here.
You're telling me.
Careful. There's a drop here. It's slippery. Be careful. Watch your head here. Okay. Good now.
Watch your step. This is real slippery.
Stay close to the wall. Up this way. Gap here. That sounds closer now. Come on.
Yeah, I need to eat.
We're coming, John.
And this man must have been really hungry if he ate an entire can of beans.
Damn,
Let's keep moving then. Come on. John, can you hear me?
John, you there?
John! John, where are you? John!
Marston, you hear me?
I'm here! Out on the ledge!
I think it's to the left.
We're coming!
Hey!
He's down here.
The fella's there!
Let's see the goat.
That's quite a scratch you got there.
Never thought I'd say this, but good to see you, Arthur Morgan.
It's the scar on his face.
You don't look so good.
I don't feel too good neither. I'm freezing.
Don't die just yet, cowboy.
Come on, compadre. Well, we can't go back the way we came. Let's try this way.
Ain't you a sorry sight?
Can't argue with you there.
See? I told Dutch you weren't the right man for this.
Sure you did.
You alright?
I think so.
Come on. Hopefully this will lead us out.
Oh.
See that on the ridge?
Perfect. You head for the horses. I'll keep John's friends off until you're clear.
Okay, here we go, John. We'll leave them to Arthur.
Oh, here they come.
We're getting you out of here.
Right here.
Well, shit!
Hold on, Arthur.
Can I loot him?
Okay, let's get going before any more of these bastards show up.
This is my beautiful horse.
Come on then, let's get back to the others. Get up.
I don't feel too good.
You'll be fine. It's just like a dog bite.
Knew a fella? Got bit by a dog. Died. An hour later.
Oh.
Ain't gonna die. Not yet.
He's not wrong.
More coming down the hill. Get out of here.
Get the hell out of here!
Oh shit! I don't know where I'm going.
On the right. More coming in on the left. Lárgate de aquí.
Get out of here!
I just ran him over.
You see any more, Arthur?
Don't think so.
Jesus!
You still with us, Marston?
Just about.
You're gonna be okay. We have
I'll press L1 to put your
shelter now.
Thanks
just
for
tap it.
coming for me.
Of course. That bullet in Blackwater, now this. You had a hell of a time.
And Arthur always says, I'm lucky.
None of us are lucky right now. Should ride in the water for a bit. Try to lose a scent. Don't want to leave a trail right back to camp.
You know, we're gonna need to come up with a better story for that scar.
So, freezing, bleeding, starving, damn near getting eaten to death ain't good enough for you.
Here, Let's cross to the left.
Yeah, come on. Let's push hard and get back.
See those buildings up ahead, John? That's where we camped. Nearly there.
He's about to fall off. Oh, wrong town.
Someone help John down off this horse.
Can we get some help here? Can we get some help? We need some help here.
Come on, help him down.
You're alive! You're alive!
Here we go. There we go. Ay, careful, idiotas! It's his leg.
Oh, come on, let's get you warm. Thank you both. This is a new low, even by your standards.
Thank you, Arthur. Thank you.
Got any other lost maidens need saving?
Not today.
Have you and Dutch talked about how we're gonna get out of this?
I was just discussing with Herr Strauss when the weather breaks. I suppose we'll have to keep heading east.
East? Into all that civilization.
I know. The west is where our problems are worse. Come on, Herr Strauss, let's get warm.
Thank you, Mr. Morgan.
Alrighty, I think that's where we will end part 1. Don't worry, these parts will be probably coming out fast because I will be very addicted to this game, but if you like this playthrough, let me know down in the comments, and I'd love to hear some feedback, and to just let me know how we're doing, anything I can improve on, and thanks for watching with me today.